Welcome back everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. Today's episode is Mind Games. Wildfire trivia questions. Let's begin. Igniting knowledge. Top 8 wildfire facts you didn't know. 1. Question. What is the primary cause of most wildfires in the United States? A. Lightning strikes. B. Human activities. C. Volcanic eruptions. Answer. B. Human activities. 2. Question. Which type of ecosystem is most commonly associated with wildfires? A. Deserts. B. Grasslands and forests. C. Wetlands. Answer. B. Grasslands and forests. 3. Question. What is the term used to describe the area burned by a wildfire? A. Burn scar. B. Fire front. C. Ash zone. Answer. B. Fire front. If you enjoy this video, please click like and subscribe. 4. Question. Which weather condition can significantly increase the intensity and spread of wildfires? A. Heavy rain. B. Low temperatures. C. High temperatures, low humidity, and strong winds. Answer. C. High temperatures, low humidity, and strong winds. 5. Question. In which region of the United States do wildfires occur most frequently? A. The southeastern US. B. The western United States. C. The northeastern US. Answer. B. The western United States. 6. Question. What is a controlled burn, and why is it used? A. A fire started by nature to clear land. B. A prescribed fire set to manage vegetation. C. A wildfire that is contained quickly. Answer. B. A prescribed fire set to manage vegetation. How are you doing so far? Was that easy for you? Let's make it more challenging. Seven. Question. What role do wildfires play in forest ecosystems? A. They destroy all plant life. B. They promote new growth and clear dead vegetation. C. They have no real effect. Answer. B. They promote new growth and clear dead vegetation. 8. Question. What is the primary chemical component in smoke that contributes to its harmful effects on human health during a wildfire? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Particulate matter. C. Methane. Answer. B. Particulate matter. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about flames of nature, uncovering the truth about wildfires. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.